Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're continuing on with displaying our ammo count within our inventory screen. So in the last lesson we got the variables into place and we're also returning those numeric values. However, we have no way to display them at the moment. So we're going to fix that now, and what we're going to do is come to the void on GUI, and I'm going to come here after all the use buttons, and I'm going to come in between these two close brackets here, and we're going to put in a comment. So we'll say write ammo at top of screen, and in fact we will put just below stats, and we'll enter there. Now luckily we can actually copy and paste some code for this, so let's just scroll up. Don't go too fast. We want to come to the top of the function, and here where we write stats we can copy this, and we're going to paste that in, and we'll just change what needs to be changed. So here we just need to change that to say ammo. We also need to change the vertical position, and I want my vertical position to be the same as, if we scroll up, the same as consumables, so in this case a value of 80. And I am going through this rather quickly, probably more quickly than I normally would, and that's just because we've done this a lot of times now. We've done a lot of GUI work, so I'm hoping that these basic functions you are all comfortable with now. So I've started the game, I've come into the inventory screen. Now as we can see, it's drawing in the middle of the screen. Now because we're using a label, the full label width is here and it's drawing to the left hand side of the label, but we will be fixing that in a coming video, so please don't worry, we're going to fix that by creating a GUI skin. But for now I just want to make sure that the label is in the correct place, which it is. So let's stop that there and let's come back to mono develop. Below we'll begin by a comment saying display pistol ammo. We'll come below there, and again we can actually copy and paste a lot of code. In fact, we'll just copy this line here, let's paste that in, and we will need to change some things. So let's begin by changing this value of 80, and if we come up, I think we had a value of plus 30 for each one, so this will be 110 to keep in line with the rest of the GUI. And let's go through. So here where it says ammo, we'll change that to pistol ammo, and we're also going to come here between the second speech mark and the close brackets. We're going to space plus and space again, and the returned pistol inventory amount. And again we can copy this line, so let's paste that in. And as I said, we're coming down in values of 30, so I'll change that to 140, and let's just give this a name of pistol clip, and here return pistol ammo in clip. So with that in place, let's copy that block. We'll include the comment as well. We'll paste in 3 times. And then we'll just go through and change what needs to be changed. So the first thing that needs to be changed, obviously, is the comment to shotgun. These values now need to be changed to 170 and 200. What this says needs to be changed, so now it needs to be changed to shotgun ammo, and we'll copy and paste that below. And obviously we want to return the shotgun ammo, so in this time return shotgun inventory, and we want shotgun ammo in clip. And we've just got to keep going down. So the next one, machine gun ammo, we'll change the comment, and again we'll just keep increasing by a value of 30. And we will come back and make some adjustments to this to make it look a little bit better, but again that will come in a later lesson. I just want to get things up and running for now, and we'll do all the fine tuning regarding how the inventory looks once the actual, just bear with me one moment. Yeah, once we've actually got the system completely working and displaying everything we want to do. So we're returning the machine gun ammo, and now for rifle. So again, values of 30, so 290, 320, rifle ammo, rifle clip, and again we'll return the rifle inventory, and we'll return the rifle ammo in the clip. So let's save that off there, and we'll downsize it, and let's hit play. We'll come straight to the inventory and we'll maximize. So let's come back. Now at this point I should actually mention we may suffer a glitch until we've cycled through all of our weapons and given it chance to actually update, because as you know the weapon scripts are deactivated on startup. So let's come to the FPS controller and let's have a look. Turn machine gun ammo, machine gun clip. So we're not returning the machine gun ammo correctly. Return machine gun ammo in inventory. Let's scroll up to see if we've made an error somewhere. Current machine gun clip. So, and machine gun inventory. So the coding looks to be quite right. Let's come out of there. We just need to go through and change. Now at the moment I don't have any sounds assigned to this, so it is working. We just need to change the stat label on the horizontal, so let's change that to 210. So that doesn't work for me, but a value of 220 does seem to be working fine, and in fact I'll change that to a value of 225, and we'll stop that there. I'll just change this now we've come out of the game. So the script is working. We were just getting cut off a little bit because the horizontal value wasn't quite large enough. And as I said, we may suffer some problems when we hit play, and it seems to be returning them fine. But if you do have an issue, we're going to fix it later. When I actually tested out this code, sometimes the current clip wouldn't register until I'd cycled through all the weapons. It doesn't seem to be happening now. But that's just because the weapon scripts are disabled on startup. So if you have that problem, please don't worry. We're going to implement the fix anyway. So regardless of whether it works for you or whether it doesn't, I would advise to put the fix in anyway. That way you should be fine. Your game should then work on any other computer. It may have been because the computer I was testing the script on is of lower spec to this PC, my main PC. So that may be the reason why it's got faster processor. Maybe it's grabbing those values before the scripts are disabled. So either way, we'll implement that fix, but we've got a lot to do with the infantry still. As you can see, it still doesn't look quite right, and that's due to the fact we need to create a GUI skin. It still looks pretty basic, and I'm sure many of you will want the inventory system to look a lot nicer. We'll be implementing that in the coming lessons. So I think we'll leave it here for now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.